Welcome to VKB Kitchen and Bath, where every design decision is engineered for a purpose. Let's start with this chandelier. You'll notice we chose a high Kelvin temperature light, and this wasn't an aesthetic decision. It was a biological one. High Kelvin lighting mimics natural daylight and actually supports your body's natural wake cycles during the day. Now look at these walls. High-quality plaster with gray paint on the walls and white on the ceiling. This isn't just a color preference. The gray walls create visual depth and sophistication, while the white ceiling reflects light upward, creating perceived height and spaciousness. Moving into the primary bathroom, notice the elegant dual vanity with wooden texture, lower cabinets, and those striking black fixtures. By properly separating these wet zones with high-quality tempered glass, we're preventing cross-contamination of moisture that leads to mold, mildew, and premature deterioration of finishes. The black fixtures aren't just trendy. Matte black actually shows less water spotting and fingerprints than chrome, reducing maintenance for our busy clients. The second bathroom features white cabinets with white marble tops, a deliberate contrast to the primary bath. Every material choice here was engineered for the specific use case, not just copied from a design magazine. Every element you've just seen, from that $3,000 chandelier to the custom glass separations, represents strategic decision-making based on science, not just style. This is what separates a true luxury transformation from an expensive mistake.